What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. So today, got a special treat for you on this 100th episode. Got contacted by a company called Willow Seasoning Blends, and they sent me out some of their rubs. This is their sweet smoke, and this is their sweet heat. Tasting them out the bottle, they both taste great. This one's got a nice little black pepper and smoky kick to it. This one definitely has more of a sweet, brown sugary, with a kick of spicy heat to it. Let's see what they got in them. The sweet smoke has brown sugar, kosher salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic, onion powder, mustard seed, bell pepper, celery seeds, and cinnamon in it. And then in the sweet smoke, it's got brown sugar, kosher salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic, onion, mustard seed, chili powder, celery seed, cayenne pepper, and cinnamon. On today's episode, we're going to use the sweet smoke to make up some beer can chicken. So let's go ahead and get started. First step in beer can chicken, get a beer. Now, pour out half of it. It's about half. There we go. Cheers. Now, you take that beer, take your can opener, start opening up the can. Take you some of the seasoning. Today we're going to use the Willow Seasoning Blends Sweet Smoke. Pouring about 2 tablespoons. Took the chicken out the packaging, patted it dry, let it sit in the fridge for about an hour. Let the skin dry up some. Now we're going to go ahead and hit it with some cooking spray. Now we're going to go ahead and put on some of that seasoning. I'm going to go with about a medium heavy coat, just because I'm not too sure about the spice level of it. It's one thing to taste it raw. It's another thing to taste it on some meat. Also throw some down there in the cavity. Move that to the side. Take your holster. Sit that right on top. Take off your glove. Touch up your spots. Now we're going to go ahead and start our grill. Today I'm using the Pit Boss pellet grill. We're going to get it up to a nice temp of 350 degrees. We're going to let it run till the bird temps out at 165 degrees. Turn it to smoke. Let all that white smoke right at the beginning pour out of it. You don't want any of that in your food. Now that all that is gone, go ahead and shut it down. Up to 350. All right, we're at temp. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the grill now. Go ahead and put on my ThermoPro wireless thermometer. Put it in the breast. Reading 56 degrees right now in the bird. Go ahead, shut it down, let it go. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, nice color to it. Smell coming off of it is phenomenal. Oh yeah, nice beautiful color to it. Definitely moist and juicy. You can see all the juices all over the board. Let's go ahead and break that seal. Get this off the rack. Put that to the side. Just look at that bird. Nice beautiful color all the way around. Look at that. Bird's falling apart. It's so good. Let's go ahead and cut off a piece real quick. Oh, it cuts right through it. Just so juicy, slippery, just falling apart. Let's go ahead for that taste test. Let's try some of that chicken first. Moist and juicy, right on point. That beer can definitely did the trick. You can taste some of that black pepper and salt really penetrated into the meat. Then there's a kind of a hickory smoke to it. Don't know if that's their smoky element, but it's kind of a more of a hickory kind of smoke to it. Let's go ahead and try some of that skin where most of the seasoning was. There's definitely kind of a spice element to it. It's not listed on the ingredient list, but I'm definitely picking up a spice note. Not bad. It's just there's a spice element that's there. Got like a kind of a cayenne spice. It's not listed, but I'm picking up some sort of a cayenne hit to it. Overall, very impressed with the rub. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. I appreciate it. This is also a thank you for sticking it out with me for 100 episodes. Also, for you new people, thank you for joining in on all the fun. Now, in the comments, put hashtag HQ. Don't put it's to win anything now. Just hashtag HQ. It'll enter you into a drawing to win this glass right here. On Sunday, I'll pull the names, do the drawing, and post a video at 5 o'clock saying who won the contest. I'll contact the winner and we'll ship out the glass on Monday. Thank you and have a good day.